Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? So today I decided to do this video on the 14-day rapid soup diet because it's getting incredible ratings on ClickBank, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it. I'm going to go over some stuff briefly on it, just through the page, and then if you want more information on it, you can just check the link in the description and it'll tell you everything you need to know. I'm just going to kind of go through it. So, anyway, like I said, this is getting incredible ratings because a lot of people are losing weight with it. And it is a rapid weight loss solution that does not require you to, just stop eating or fasting or anything like that, but actually just eating, but eating really healthy. It talks about some nutrients that a lot of people are missing, which are really important for weight loss. Right now, what you're looking at is just a bunch of testimonials and stuff. So, I mean, I'm going to let you click on the link and go check through that if you want, because there are a lot of them. A lot of success stories of people losing well over 13 pounds. Why it basically explains why the diet works, missing nutrients in a person's diet, why this is an easy diet to do because you are eating, you're not going to get food cravings because it's not like you're just totally starving your body here. And then it talks about what causes our lymphatic system to slow down, which ends up causing us to put on some weight, especially around the stomach area and the waist area. So one of the first things it talks about, just to give some giveaways, tells you about is potassium, and it gets into why potassium is really important. Magnesium, another one, and collagen. And basically, what this 14-day rapid soup program is all about is it's going to give you soups and like scientific explanations of why these soups will work for detoxing your body, flushing your body of excess fat, speeding up your metabolism, and boosting your lymphatic system so that you can start burning fat at a faster rate. So basically, yeah, you're gonna have a lot of soup recipes and stuff of things that are designed to do exactly what I'm telling you about. Great for diabetics, stuff like that. Great soups here. So I'm gonna skip through all this and go straight to the bonuses of what you get with this, which is also really good because a lot of these soups are keto friendly as well. So first, you get the 14-day protocol rapid soup diet. Drop up to 14 pounds in 14 days is the claim. Then you have, like I said, it's keto-friendly soups. You have the Keto Soups Cookbook. That's worth its money just by itself. The Weekend Soup Detox, great thing to do detoxes, or to do a detox every few months or so. That's at least what I try to do, which keeps your metabolism running in tip-top shape. Immunity Boosting Soup Cookbook, again a great cookbook with immunity boosting recipes, and then a quick start guide, and these are just the bonuses, guys, on top of what you're already getting. And then you have your keto immunity smoothie recipes, which I find very exciting too because I love having smoothies in the morning, start the day right. And then Slimming Soup Secrets, the Soup Detox. So yeah, basically this is oh, and of course I always forget to mention this, but because this is a ClickBank product and like I said, this is getting incredible ratings all around, there is a 100% money back guarantee, so don't feel like you're risking it by investing in this product or trying this diet. There is a 100% money back guarantee. So yeah, so I'm sorry, I kind of lost track of that. Anyway, then it's just going to go through their guarantees and stuff. But basically, yeah, to get a better understanding of this, just click on the link in the description. You can read through this yourself, learn more about if this is for you, if this is something you'd like to try. learn about some slimming foods, smoothies, soups, and stuff that will help detox your body and speed up your metabolism, and how you could use this to your advantage and quickly lose weight without having to go on some crazy diet that is really hard to stick with. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day.